I'm Alice and I'm an actress and a producer, and I've produced some shows here before. Shakespeare in Promenade Performance around Rotherhithe Village, and we've filmed here, and this is kind of my new company that I've set up, so this is a third venture with that bird. Miss Julie by August Strindberg to me is a masterpiece. Blanche Dubois was based roughly on her. Tennessee Williams was really inspired by Miss Julie when he was writing, and to me she is the hardest character to play in the world. She's nuts. I love her. She's a real challenge to play. She's complex, annoying, wonderful, delightful. I've always wanted to play Miss Julie, and I thought the festival's happening, it's gonna work. And the fact that it's in this underground chamber works so well for the play, because the play's set in an underground servant's kitchen in the Victorian time, so it's just perfect, really. It's a really electrifying drama, and I love the simplicity of it because it's in one place, just one kitchen. It's kind of like one scene, really, and it's these two characters. It's so much about their relationship and the dynamic, and the way he'd written it was really advanced for his time, because the thoughts shift on each line and it pivots, but it's very much about what's really happening between these two people, and I find that the most exciting theatre to watch. I just say, come, because the space is so lovely, and even if you don't think you'd like the play, you might like the play. It's a very likeable play, it's very engaging, but the walls are beautiful, so you can look at them. So, yeah, come and experience the museum and the festival and this extraordinary piece of work, because it's a real treat to have it on here.